Additionally, we're updating our network power supply. So this is the DDNP1501. It's been a very popular network power supply for us. This allows us to meet a lot of project specifications that are coming out requiring that all network devices are from the same manufacturer. This network power supply has had its voltage increased, so it used to be from 100 to 240, it now goes to 277, allowing it for use within UL markets. So it has received its UL certification, which means it's been externally tested, making sure it's meeting incredibly high and stringent safety and quality standards. We've always had feedback that these devices have the same quality and longevity as they expect from other Dynalite devices, allowing for the device to be able to match expectations of quality and performance. Additionally, we've included an RJ12 connection on the top. So this allows for the commissioning teams to connect their PC node straight to the top of the unit without having to remove the covering from the distribution board. This is a safe connection that is SELV, but still provides network power, allowing for the powering of the PC node. This will bring a huge advantage to commissioning teams that are requiring to connect to the network system without having to find an electrical contractor to allow them access to the distribution board. Thank you.